Breaking news: a tragic accident occurred last night at 1 a.m. on Inter-District Road, Maryamabad, located on Alipur Road, during an Easter procession in which approximately 300 Christian participants were present. According to details, a loader truck carrying chickens suddenly went out of control and rammed into the participants of the procession, leaving several people injured. Rescue sources reported that around 30 to 35 injured individuals were immediately shifted to different hospitals in Gujranwala, where they are receiving medical treatment. Eyewitnesses stated that the accident happened suddenly, causing panic and chaos at the scene. Rescue teams promptly arrived and provided immediate medical assistance to the injured. Dr. Salamat, General Secretary of the Christian Journalist Association Faisalabad and CEO of ACT TV channel, expressed deep sorrow and grief over the incident. He stated that they stand in solidarity with all affected brothers and sisters during this difficult time and urged the higher authorities to take immediate notice of the accident. Authorities have initiated an investigation to determine the causes of the accident. The incident has left the entire area in a state of deep sorrow and concern.